Hi, and welcome to Qlik Fix. This video will demonstrate how to activate Qlik Insight Bot using an activation key and corresponding email address. You can find out more about Insight Bot on help.qlik.com and by using the links below. The activation key is sent in an email like this example. Traditionally, Qlik product welcome emails like this contain a standard 16-digit license key and control number. With Insight Bot, there is an activation key instead. That key is connected with an email address that is used upon activation. First, open up the Qlik Insight Bot configuration application on the machine where the Insight Bot applications and services are installed. To configure Insight Bot, you must log in. Since this is the first time I'm logging in, it's necessary to first register. So enter the email address specified in the activation email and choose a password and confirm it. Now copy the activation key from the email and paste it here, and click on Register. This performs a quick communication verifying that code with a Qlik server. Success! Now that I've registered, it's necessary to log in with those credentials. And this is the Insight Bot configuration application. As you can see, in this demo, the connection with QlikSense has already been set up. By selecting License, you can see that the license has already been applied in the registration process. I hope this helps. If you'd like more information, search for answers using the Unified Search tool on the support portal. It searches across the support knowledge base, Qlik community, Qlik help site, and Qlik YouTube channels. Take advantage of the expertise of peers, product experts, and technical support engineers by asking a question in a Qlik product forum on Qlik community. And don't forget to subscribe to the Support Updates blog. Thanks for watching. Nailed it.